Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix Valorant black screen on startup. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know how you can fix that. So this is the easiest method on how you can fix that. So it's pretty simple and pretty easy. You just gotta go ahead and choose Valorant as your app. So I don't have Valorant, but obviously it's like one of these games, so they all work the same way. So what you can do is just select Valorant like this and press right click on it, and you just gotta go ahead and press on properties. Once you do this, if you don't see the option of the game directly right over here, what you can do is just go to its main files. So just go to Riot Games open file location, and right over here you'll see its file location. So what you can do is just go to its file location like this. And for me, it's gonna be Epic Games, but obviously it's gonna be Riot Games for you. You just gotta find Riot Games, and just gotta find your game, just like Valorant game, and then binaries, Windows 64, and over here you gotta find its client, not the launcher, but its client. It will say Valorant client Win64 shipping. So what you can do is just simply right click on it and then properties, and over here you'll see the option compatibility. Inside compatibility, you have to turn on this mode right over here, and then disable full screen optimizations, and then run this program as an administrator. Once all these settings have been selected, just press on apply and then OK. Once this is done, you'll have no black screen on your startup. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.